Faculty chicken. Oh, ito yung kay Ana, right? So nice. This one.
So from this side, we have 12 noon and we'll be holding on this workshop at the senior high school.
Center. The Sports Trial. I think this is a good book because it's color yellow. Here's what I got. Got 3 pants from the Upar. Kuya Karen. No to jeepney face off. May semiotics there. Who would have thought? Not me. Uy, uy.
Binila yan ni Jason kasi sabi niya, kumukha ako doon.
Bye!